In this video, I will explain the property 3 of the Laplace transforms. The statement is like this: Laplace transform of f of t by t is equals to integral from s to infinity f of s ds. So what is this f of s means? Laplace transform of f of t is capital F of s. So I'll explain this property with an example. Find the Laplace transform of e to the power of at minus e to the power of bt by t. So you compare this with Laplace transform of f of t by t. So when I compare these two, so what is f of t? It is e to the power of at minus e to the power of bt. Write its Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equals to Laplace transform of e to the power of at minus Laplace transform of e to the power of bt. So left hand side will be denoted as f of s e power at Laplace transform 1 by s minus a e power bt Laplace transform 1 by s minus b. So now we got this f of s. So we'll apply the property. So Laplace transform of e to the power of at minus e to the power of bt divided by t equals integral from s to infinity 1 by f of s means 1 by s minus a minus 1 by s minus b ds. Integrate with respect to s. 1 by s minus a integration is log s minus a. 1 by s minus b integration log s minus b. The limits are s to infinity. So by applying the laws of logarithm, we can write it as log s minus a by s minus b limits s to infinity. So since there is a infinity upper limit, we cannot apply the infinity directly because s in the numerator, s in the denominator. If we have substituted, it becomes infinity by infinity. So what I will do, I will take s common in the numerator. If I take s common, it becomes 1 minus a by s. Denominator, if I take s common, 1 minus b by s. Limits will be s to infinity. So s gets cancelled. We'll get log 1 minus a by s 1 minus b by s. Substitute the limits. Limits are s to infinity. Now if you substitute the limit, the upper limit, that is infinity, this becomes 0. That is a by infinity will be 0, b by infinity will also be 0. That is a by infinity, it becomes 0, and b by infinity also becomes 0. So it becomes 1 minus 0, like that, both numerator. Now I'll replace s by s itself. So what you'll get? I'll get 1 minus a by s divided by 1 minus b by s. So both the limits s will be replaced by s itself. So now the first term will be what? Log 1 minus, if you take s as the LCM, it will be s minus a by s numerator, denominator also s minus b by s. So now this s will gets cancelled. So log 1 will be 0 minus of log s minus a by s minus b. So there is a negative sign outside, so we can interchange these two, upper limit, so numerator and denominator. Therefore, Laplace transform of e to the power of at minus e to the power of bt by t will be equal to log s minus b by s, s minus a. So this is how we'll find the Laplace transform of a function which is of the form f of t by t. Thank you.